woman dies from two-vehicle bang-up in Ocherius. Two alleged robbers shot dead by licensed firearm holders in St. Elizabeth, police say. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A woman died from injuries she sustained in a two-vehicle bang-up on the Ocherius Bypass Road in St. Anne on Friday night. The deceased is Raylene Fagan of Ocherius. Reports are that about 11:50 p.m., a Toyota Probox motor car, in which Fagan was a passenger, was being driven along the road when it collided with a motor truck. Fagan sustained multiple injuries and was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. It is not immediately clear if the drivers of the motor vehicles sustained injuries as a result of the crash. The Ocherius police are probing the development. Two men were shot and killed after they allegedly tried to rob patrons at a party in the community of Trial in St. Elizabeth early Sunday morning. Parish Commander Acting Superintendent Coleridge Minto says the men were challenged by a licensed firearm holder. The deceased have been identified as Christophine Garden and Siobhan Munga, all both from Clarendon. Two guns have been recovered. Minto stated that Gardner and all were linked to several robberies in St. Elizabeth. He stated that a third person has been arrested.